It's nothing special. I'm sorry.
You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Isha Talor. Yeah, yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Isha Talor. Let's just get into this. I tried the Wash and See product, starting off with the leave-in conditioner. She is a little loosey-goosey, medium consistency type of girl. Now, immediately, you can kind of tell by my face that I wasn't really vibing with this leave-in conditioner, just because it didn't give me the definition and the instant moisture that I typically get from other leave-in conditioners. I then proceeded to use a water bottle in a second because I'm like, okay, I came out the shower, my hair is freshly damp, and I wanted to use leave-in conditioner in its true form, how I typically would use leave-in conditioner, which is right out the shower. I don't know if y'all re-wet your hair for leave-in conditioner, but if your hair is already damp, and but I then got my water bottle and I damped my hair even more, and that's when I realized the leave-in conditioner did apply a little bit better. So if you do try this leave-in conditioner, just make sure, like, if you have low porosity hair like I do, then just apply a little bit of water. So I applied it to my hair and I can see the curls popping. I was like, okay, cool, bet. Next is the twisting souffle. The consistency is thick, just how I like my souffles. But when I started to apply it, I was like, okay, is it me or is it like kind of not mixing that well? And it wasn't giving me the definition that I thought I would get. Like the Camille Rose souffle, that gives me some definition, baby. And I was like, okay, this is cute, but not giving so far. Okay. Now, the back section is cute and all, but I have to make sure the front section is doing what it needs to do. The front section of my hair is troublesome. Let me know in the comments below if you have a section of your hair that is just aggravating to all, the front section is that for me. And so when I used the souffle on it, I was like, okay, it's giving a little something. Once I twist that thing up and unraveled, that's when I can laugh about it now, but I was frustrated that day. I undid a twist and I was like, immediately no. Immediately no. I almost rewashed my whole hair. So this is what it looked like. I did air dry and my hair feels super dry, no definition, super frizzy. Like, yo, I wanted to just like throw my whole head away. I was like, what is this? And it also flaked. Can you believe it? It flaked. So let's just get into more thoughts about these products, okay? Let's go ahead and talk about the Watch and See products. The Watch and See leave-in conditioner. I got it for $15.99 at Target, but Target had the buy one get one 25% off, so that's why I only got these two products. I honestly am in a stage of my life, okay, where I don't need a new shampoo. I don't need a new conditioner. I just don't. Like, I am good with what I have, so you're not gonna see me really pick up a new shampoo or new conditioner unless it's like totally different from what I have in my stash. Okay, so I didn't pick up those. I didn't pick up the refreshing spray because I need to see what these do first before I even think about refreshing the thing. I didn't get the slick back gel because I didn't look at other people's reviews prior to purchasing these products, but once I started looking at reviews, people were using the souffle and then putting some of the slick back gel on top of it for like a twist out or something for hold, and I'm just like, baby, I'm not about to get that small gel to add on top of this. Like, I just don't feel like I need to do that. I stuck with these two products, okay? The leave-in conditioner was $15.99 and it's 18 fluid ounce. The consistency of the leave-in conditioner is more of a medium consistency. It's not super light, but it's also not super thick. It's just like that medium type of vibe. And for my low density, low porosity hair, it was cool. It gave me a little bit of definition, as you kind of saw in the video. It wasn't wowing. Is that a word? It didn't wow me. It just was basic. It was just okay. These products do smell really good. It smells like a grown up like cotton candy or a grown up candy. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like, it's very sweet and girly, which can be a bad thing, or I don't know. Like, if my husband wanted to use these products, it smells really girly and very feminine. So I don't know how I would feel about that, but for detangle and slip, it was cute. It was okay. It gets a green check. It's not like the best I've ever had, but it does have a little bit of slip in there, a little detangle, just because the consistency is not super thick. You're able to do that, so totally, totally fine. For moisture, it's a no. Okay, my hair was literally dry the next day. Like, it was actually dry the same day. I'm not even gonna lie, but I was giving it a benefit of the doubt because sometimes my hair needs a little second. Like, it needs to get some time to vibe out and figure out if it likes it. But no, it dried out my hair. The first 5 ingredients of this is water, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, cetyl alcohol, benzimidine sulfate, and then it goes to castor oil. It just has a lot of stuff that's more further down in the ingredients list. It's nothing special. I'm not even gonna lie. You can definitely pass this up. Give it a try though. This is just my thoughts, my opinion. Yeah, moving on. The Wash and See Twist and Braid Souffle. Now, y'all know I love me a good souffle. It's a good balance between like a regular cream with like a hint of like a custard. Like it's like that little middle ground. So I was excited for this. Again, it's $15.99 for a 12 fluid ounce. The consistency of this is also super thick. You can turn this upside down. It's not going to come out. So it's super thick. Definition was okay. It didn't wow me. It didn't, make my curls have like that elongation that I love in a souffle or in a cream. It was just okay. And moisture, it was just okay. Like it didn't wow me at all either. I wanted to like these. My hair literally, this is the product. This is what my hair is from that wash day. And this is how it looked legit like the next day. And I was just like, I wanted to like these products, I did, but it just didn't work for me. I don't know. I don't have much more to say. Like when I don't really care for something, I'm not gonna just yap about it. The first 5 ingredients of these, if you are interested, is water, cetyl alcohol, things I can't pronounce, benzimidine multisulfate. There's a lot of things chemically in the beginning, and then it gets to like seawater, glycerin, peppermint oil, ginger root. Like then it gets down to that further down. It's nothing special. I'm sorry. My opinion. I'm pretty sure it's a great company. I don't know much about this company. I don't know the backstory of them, so I'm not going to get into the weeds of that. Y'all just said y'all wanted me to try these products. I got my hand on it on a good sale, okay? And now it's just gonna be returned back to Target. Okay. Let me know what y'all think. Have you tried anything else or anything in general from Wash and See? Maybe they have other products that I should try or might be interested in. But for now, the leave-in conditioner and the twist and braid out souffle is not for me. All right. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hang out on my channel. I have tons of other reviews, battle of the brands, low porosity tips, fine natural hair tips, all that good stuff. So I'll catch you guys over there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Did you guys hear that? My dog hit her head on the wall. Yeah, shake it out, mama. Come here. Come here. Shake it out, mama. Oh, shake it out. You hit your head. Oh, my God. I'll catch you guys next one. Peace.